Oh man, it's really coming down outside. I'm soaked. I know. I should have checked the forecast. It was such a beautiful morning, though. I'm cold. Can you grab me a towel? You drew a bath for me? That's so sweet. You're always looking out for me. This is just what I needed. I'd hate to catch a cold and miss work just because I forgot an umbrella. Wanna get in with me? There's space for both of us. You got so red. It's cute. Don't worry. I'm just teasing. Jeez, that was loud. I guess this storm isn't stopping anytime soon. Alright, I'm gonna go dry off. See you in a bit? Hey, are you alright? I just know when you're curled up on the couch like that, it means you're upset. It's the storm, isn't it? I get it. It's been a while since it's been this bad outside. Here, I'll get a blanket. I don't want you catching a cold either. Better? You can snuggle into me if you want. There we go. Get cozy. You're safe here. Let's work on some breathing exercises. I think it'll help you relax. I'm going to breathe in as deep as I can. And then exhale. That's right. Through your nose. Focus on your diaphragm. Let's do that again. One more time. This always calms me down when I get stressed out. Do you want to hear about my day? I'm sure you've noticed me working later and later these days. I had so much to do for that really annoying client. I guess maybe that's why I forgot my umbrella. I know I usually look carefree and relaxed, but I suppose work was making me anxious. It's been on my mind all week. Of course, I get anxious too. Breathing, just like this, always helps me when I do. I think I didn't show this side of me to you because I wanted to look strong. I thought it might have been what you needed to see so that you wouldn't feel so anxious all the time. But it just made you not want to come to me when you feel like this. I know it's just a silly little breathing exercise, but it's often the little things that give us comfort. A warm blanket, a crackling fire, a loving embrace. Why don't you try to get some sleep? The storm is just gonna go all night, and I don't want to leave you alone. That's right. Get cozy. I'm here for you.